You just gonna dump it?
You need some help?
But don't open it. It's really doggy.
What's that?
Stickers.
Who is it?
Hello Kitty.
Yeah.
But don't open it.
Okay, well, let's look at other stuff and then we'll
Let's
open
look
it.
at all your stuff first, okay? You got lots of stuff.
Look, Annie. Cookies? Who's that? The Bumble?
A bubble.
Nick, move out of the way.
M&M's.
Ooh, cool.
And look, lots of candy canes.
Whoa, awesome.
I want to eat it.
Look, who's that?
It's Elmo.
Yeah, it's a book.
It's Elmo.
What's this?
What's that? A purple one. That's a purple one.
And you got a school bus.
All right.
Santa must know that you like wheels on the bus.
Wheels on the bus go round and round.
Yeah. How cute.
Awesome. You got a bus, a school bus.
What's that? That's everything.
Awesome.
Man, Santa got you all kinds of goodies.
Santa was good to
Let's
you.
see.
You open your presents.
Who are these from?
Want to open the cookies?
Let's open the presents. Let's open the rest of the presents, okay?
Ooh!
Let's see. Let's see what else we got. Oh, look. This is from Santa. This says to Lily from Santa.
Want to open the paper ribbon? Want to open it? Oh! Ooh! What?
Hold on. Open that one first, and then we'll open the other ones, okay?
Gotta open it.
What's that?
Well, hold on. Let's wait and see what you got first.
Yeah, we gotta open
Look.
this one first.
That one first. It's married. What
Okay.
opens that? What's in it? Look at it.
What is it?
Cookie.
Oh, awesome.
That cookie. Want to open it? Want to open it?
Who's this?
Helen.
Awesome.
It's really colored.
Santa brought you color books.
Yay! Pocoyo and Kylian.
I do that. Ooh.
You can color Pocoyo. Who's that? Who's that?
Ellie. And that.
Who's that?
Cookie.
Pocoyo! Yay!
I'm ready, cookie.
I didn't give you a pink. How are you supposed to color Ellie?
Yeah,
You
really.
wanna see what else we got?
Tata.
Santa, he did a good job, didn't he?
What else did Santa bring?
Tata.
Good job. Okay, that one is from Noni.
That's from Normie.
Noni bought you that.
I got that. I got that.
You like that?
Yeah?
Yeah.
What's the... what mommy's?
Hold on. Well, we gotta open your presents first, and then we'll look at Mommy's.
Okay.
Tata. What's it?
This is from Normie.
What's it?
Ooh, look! Dora slippers.
What's it?
And Dora pajamas. And Elmo pajamas.
And look at the pajamas.
And
Little pajamas.
yay! Lots of
You like your slippers?
You like the slippers?
Mommy thought you would like those slippers. They look like big slippers, big people slippers.
Elmo papers.
You want to wear your slippers?
Yeah.
Okay.
Put my shoes off.
Your socks off? Okay.
Stop. I need to wear my papers. My papers. My papers.
Are they small?
No, I think you just need to sit still.
Here, sit still for a minute so Mommy can put them on.
No.
Wonder if I should gotten the bigger ones.
No. I don't want it. I want it. What's the way mini bag?
I think they'll fit if she sits still.
Where's the big ones?
Is their seat still?
I'm pretty sure.
I think they'll fit. Oh, she's catching one now. Okay.
Look at the penguins.
The penguins.
Penguins.
She's from Norny also. Man, Norny, she just got you lots of stuff, huh?
You like your jammies?
It's too little.
What's
What?
too little?
They're too little.
Oh, I don't think so. You just have to sit still to put them on.
A penguin flipper.
Come open
If
it.
they are, I'll come get you some bigger ones.
Oh,
What is it?
it's Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty Footsie Jammies. They're so pretty.
A carrot.
It's okay.
A carrot.
Can you hand Mommy? Can you hand Mommy the paper? Hand Mommy the paper, please. Silly girl.
I got daddies.
That's from Mommy and Daddy.
Oh!
Okay, you want to open it?
What's the carrot?
There you go. Start going. We're going to be here a while.
That's okay.
You're
Not
doing a
that
good
long.
job.
What is it?
You gotta open it. There you go. Who is that?
Oh,
Who is that?
Mimi,
No, who's that?
but
Yeah, Team Omizumi.
That's awesome.
For the bath time.
That's cool.
Put
So
them
you
on
can play in the
walls.
bathtub.
Yeah.
what's open it?
We got other presents to open though.
Oh, mommy.
Nick.
I want mommies. I want daddies. I got daddies. I got daddies. What's the favorite?
For Mommy and Daddy. What's in there? I don't see anything. Okay, open your present, baby. Thank you.
What is it?
What is it?
Awesome. Some more play food for your kitchen.
What is it?
More kitchen.
More kitchen? Yeah. Ooh. Okay. What's it got?
I got kitchen. It's a bagel.
And bagels? Yeah. It's got hot dogs. You see the hot dogs? How cool, right?
What?
Bless you. Goodness.
Go grab another one.
I get the green.
Nani. Can you start opening it?
Open it.
Awesome.
What is that?
Ooh.
You know what that is? It's a toaster and a blender and a coffee maker.
Isn't that cool?
With the caramel one.
I'm going to scoot back. She's getting closer and closer to me.
Okay. It's from Nani again. Here. Nose. Okay, hold on.
It's your nose running, baby girl.
Zoomy, zoomy. Yeah. Open your present, baby. Good job. That's cool. What is it? You got cooking, pots and pans, and food. You can make soup. Isn't that cool? Look. It makes noises. How cool. Whoa, that's a big one.
That's the big one. That's the big one. That's the big one. That's the big one. With the
Okay.
carrot.
Okay, it's from Nani also. What is it?
It's lots of dishes, huh?
You got lots of dishes?
Yeah.
You see that?
What's the big one?
No, I think that's it.
I think that's it. I think you got plenty.
You got lots. What do you tell everybody? What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome.